In this video, we will discuss about how we can insert or delete an element from particular position of an array. As we have already discussed that array is a linear data structure. Every element are sequentially arranged, right? So when we want to insert any particular element or delete any particular element, we need to shift other elements as well. Say for example, this is an array of 5 elements and 4 elements are there. I want to insert one more element. Say if the maximum location is 5. If I want to insert an element in this position 5, where there is no space, because we have declared array as 5 elements, then we cannot insert that element because that position is greater than n, the given n. N means the size of the array here I have considered. Or if I want to insert an element before this 0, then also it is not possible. So whenever we want to insert an element, the position we need to check for whether it is greater than n or less than 0. This is the first condition we need to check. We will design that later. Then say for example, if I want to insert say element 50 in the location 2. In the location 2 means the third element. Then what I need to do is I need to shift this to the next location. How I can do that? Using the code a of I plus 1 equal to a of I. That is, this is a of I, this is a of I plus 1. So I need to shift this element to the next location. Then a vacant position will be created. This will be shifted. 40 will be shifted here. 30 will be shifted here. A vacant position will be created. In this location, I have to insert 50. This is how we can do this. So let me explain this function programmatically. So we are passing some parameters like the item what we want to insert. This is the generic function. I have discussed a specific example. This is a generic function. And array, the number of elements in the array and the position at which we want to insert an element. We need an index variable to traverse through the list. We have checked the first condition, that is whether the given position is greater than n. If so, we cannot insert that element in that position because it will be an invalid position. If this position is less than 0, then also again it is invalid position. So we are going to print this is invalid position. We are going to return the number of elements as it is. So n is the number of element, return that. Otherwise, if this condition failed, this is the first step. If this condition failed, then it is possible to insert that element. So I is initialized to the last position 0, 1, 2, 3, so on up to the last position is if there are n number of elements. As we are initializing it from 0, the last position will be n minus 1. So I is initialized to last position and the condition is checked that it should not come back of the position. So position here I considered was third location. So position, the I should be greater than or equal to position, and we need to decrement I in every iteration. A of I plus 1 is equal to A of I. Say here for example, in the previous array, 40 is shifted to the last location. I plus 1, that is the location because I is initialized to last location and the previous element is assigned to that location. This will be repeated till we reach that position. Then we have to insert that item into that position because this was vacant. Now we are going to insert that item into the position, and now the number of elements are equal to n plus 1. The number of elements are incremented. This is how we can insert an element into the array at particular position in a static array. in a static array. We are not discussing about dynamic allocation of memory now. We will discuss that later. Similarly, we can delete an element from the array. Say the initial condition is same, that is we cannot delete an element which is before this 0 or before this, after this 4 in this particular example, right? Say we will take the same example. I want to delete 50. So if the position is 5 or less than 0, then we cannot delete any element. Now say position is 2 again. Now position is 2 again. So this condition is satisfied. So we will come out of this because our 2 is not greater than location and not less than, sorry, greater than n and less than 0. So we will not run with this code, then we will come to this point. So the item deleted should be displayed. So a of position, here position is 2, the a of position is 50, that will be displayed. For I is equal to position plus 1, this is the location now, position plus 1, I less than n till we reach the last element, I less than n, I plus plus, what we are doing, a of I minus 1 equal to a of I, that is, this should be shifted like this, a of I minus 1 equal to a of I. So 30 should come here and 40 should come here, and this becomes vacant now, and we are going to return n minus 1, that is the number of elements are decremented by 1. This is how we can insert and delete an element from the array if the position of the element is given.